New restrictions will kick in tomorrow as the government takes steps to contain the spread of the coronavirus. Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressed the matter at an emergency press briefing today. Now, among the changes, new protocols for political campaigning. Kalisha Williams reports.
News Thursday that the country recorded 98 coronavirus cases has been met with anxiety. This is the highest single-day increase to date. On Friday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness responded, announcing new restrictions to contain the spread of the virus.
Effective tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. until September 2, 2020, for the parishes of Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and Clarendon, the new curfew hours will begin at 7 p.m. in the evening to 5 a.m. the following morning, repeated until September the 2nd at 5 a.m.
A similar curfew is now in place in St. Thomas. The Prime Minister explained that public transport operators will be given 1 hour before and after the curfew to leave and return home. But why those parishes?
We have the majority of our active cases in Kingston and St. Andrew, where we have 124 cases, St. Thomas, where we have 98 cases, Clarendon, 59 cases, St. James, 45 cases, and St. Catherine, 40 cases.
It was revealed that 16 of the new cases are linked to parties and other entertainment activities which happened during the Emancipendence holidays in the corporate area. It's why the government has also restricted entertainment events, weddings and funerals in those parishes.
As we have done in the parish of St. Thomas, we will do for Kingston and St. Andrew, Clarendon and St. Catherine, where churches will be prohibited from holding funerals, conventions, and other civic activities. They will, of course, be able to hold their regular worship.
New rules, too, for political campaigns leading to the September 3rd general elections.
We will allow drive-thrus, meaning that the political party should present a route to the police commander in charge of the respective areas they intend to tour, and they can drive through but not stop and greet. So it would be merely a driving through, displaying their signs, banners, paraphernalia, but there will be no stopping and greeting, so there should be no gathering at any point.
There will be exemptions for political meetings which may go beyond the curfew hours. However,
those meetings must fall within the gathering rules, no more than 20 persons. We will ask that they not be outdoor meetings, that they be kept in a controlled, closed environment, and that essentially these are small meetings for organization, not for campaigning.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.